You can't run away from it. Well, that was very nice of you, Mama, but that's not your baby. Listen, legs. Can we have a bump check? Look at that. You, I'm talking to you. You make a better door than a window. Push. It's tough being a new mommy, eh? Oh my goodness. I think we had a lamb explosion today. I don't even think you guys will recognize this place. You can't run away from it. I know. It's tough being a new mommy, eh? Yeah, there's no manual. Yeah, you gotta feed it. You can't just spit it out. Alright, I'm gonna get her in a pen and I'm gonna give baby some food. Well, that was very nice of you, Mama, but that's not your baby. So my U's work together. We got this figured out. Oh, I found twin number 2. Whoa, girls. Whoa, girls. Whoa, whoa. Listen, legs. No, that's not yours. Little baby, come on. Will you take your other baby? Oh. Morning, guys. Upon further investigation, she appears to have had a lamb as well. So I thought maybe she had twins because she's marked for 2. Now I'm not even sure if she's had 1 or she just stole because she is still quite tubby. But she looks very similar to the ones that have already lambed, so I'm not sure. I am going to check her to see if indeed she has lambed or she's just beginning. Whoa! Lady, relax. I'm gonna say, I'm not sure what's going on here. You've definitely got blood on your tail. I don't know though. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. I can't even get my hand in her, so she's either lambed and closed up, or what is on her tail is actually not cleanings. And I actually, looking at it now, it doesn't really look like it. So I'm not really sure what to do, because this ewe isn't all that interested either. So I'm gonna feed both. So I don't know what to do. I don't think she's lambed. I actually walked away and I saw the one drinking. Yay! But just in case. Oh, Mommy. Should check your milk supply first too. Oh, you got that better. Someone's been on you. Yep. Oh, you're hungry. I think you drank somewhere. That one's got it totally figured out. Yeah. Look where that baby is. Interesting. So the one lamb wouldn't drink off me and would not drink off this mom. Put it back with this one and look. Going crazy. Says, that's my mommy. But this mommy doesn't like feeding you. They do love each other. She just doesn't want to feed yet. Stop! We're going! Safe to say, the eagles landed. have another baby, I believe. We almost made it to shift change. We're only about 45 minutes before Carissa would get here. There is nothing better than a mom and a baby on their own, and Mama's loving it. I think she's having another one as we speak. You make a better door than a window. You'd think these lambs are attacking them. Well, I think I figured out our little mystery with this mama. I think she actually did steal this lamb. I walked along the bunk and saw two very small, stillborn, still totally encased in that same color substance that was on her tail. So that mom did indeed have two, but she obviously stole this one. They bonded. So this worked out well because then we don't waste the ewe. And she did all the work, because when I do the work, it doesn't work out so well. I let Carissa from about 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock till now, which is lunchtime, I let her deal with all the lambing this morning, and she had a few. Come meet the new family members. These are the ones I think that were in the Nest cameras. Yeah. You were funny. Good girl. You are from this morning. That's the ones right before I went in for breakfast. Yeah. This lady looks like she's dropped. Have we dropped? You. I'm talking to you. Can you give me a ETA approximate? 5 o'clock? Good talk. It's nice to see lambing has a little bit of momentum now. I was starting to panic a bit yesterday, but I find once a few start popping, then it's like a free pass for everybody else to start popping.
Mama. I was telling everyone that Mom's a disappointment because she forgot an advent calendar. Ah! It's green! Do you want it? You can have it.
Sure.
Just have
the
it
last one.
Or crash it.
I accidentally stepped on it today. What does it taste like?
Chocolate?
I don't think there's...
Why you asking that? What did you
know.
put in this? They're good.
Ooh, there's mint ones.
Oh, there's custom ones? I got the plain Jane.
Yeah, you got the plain one. Those ones are the best.
I got the discounted one.
Ah, another day, another advent calendar.
You gonna stay in here tonight? Hmm? You're not gonna come out with me? No? Ooh, yeah. What do we got here? These nuts. Oh, yeah. Yes. Come to mommy. Nothing better than a night check and finding a tin full of Christmas cookies. Today did not really go as planned, so poor Carissa has been here. She kind of took over. She took over for me this afternoon, mid-afternoon, and she also did her evening shift, so I don't even know what time it is, maybe 8 o'clock, and I'm just literally putting these girls to bed. According to my Nest cameras, I think we had a lamb explosion today. I don't even think you guys will recognize this place. So I think I hear some voices at the back of the barn, but I'm not sure yet. So far, 8 have lamb today. 16 lambs, 8 ewes. So that's 2 a ewe, which is good math. Good sheep math. Wow, what a day to miss. Well, it looks like I'm not going anywhere tonight because she's got bloody discharge on the top of her udder there. Well, hello, my queen. How are we today? We haven't had any quality time, have we? We've had no quality time. We have a bump check, a lay down bump check. Look at that. That is a beautiful bump, Big Mama. That's a pose if I've ever seen one. You having your baby? I think so. Oh, there's nothing coming out of her though. I think she's in labor. Just starting. You're too cute. Oh my goodness. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is the perfect mucus plug. It's a beaut. A real beaut, Clark. Haven't seen a mucus plug like that in this room. Clear, thick, beautiful mucus plug. Beautiful. Hello again. Come on, Mom. Come on. Push. 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 Atta girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. A little bit. A little further. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get that shoulder. That's a girl. Ouch. Right, little monkey? Good. Come on, little mama. What are you doing? No. Beauty. Good girl. One down and one to go. That went fast. These ewe lambs have been, I'm surprised because this is the youngest I've bred ewe lambs in a long time. I don't typically keep September ewe lambs, and they are doing phenomenal. Like, it takes them a bit, but I think it's helping that I'm letting them do it. I haven't traumatized them by like getting in there and interfering. These ewe lambs I try to wait to the very, very last minute, and they're doing great. I don't know if that ewe is gonna lamb anytime soon, so I am going to run over some comments right now. My favorite time of night, especially on a day like today. So top message, the one that floated right to the top, has 855 likes. It's from Amy A. Just a thought for next year, add a wall calendar to your online store. We could use monthly doses of Big Mama, Billy, Ruby, the dogs, and the lambs. That's a great idea. I actually thought about that last year for this year. I would love to do that actually. And I'm gonna go through these 54 replies, not today, but I am gonna go through them because there's probably a whole bunch of other ideas there. The next one with 334 likes is from Todd Family Farm. Hi Sandy, I'm so glad your winter lambing is going better after the rough start. I really enjoy watching the videos, but I especially enjoy during lambing time. We are a farm family located in Iowa, and we share our life on YouTube as well. Oh, right on. My dad and grandpa used to raise sheep but they got out of the business when I was really little. Now I'm starting my own sheep business. I'm a 13-year-old girl, and right now I have 4 ewes and 1 ram, but I hope to continue to expand in the coming years. You're 13 years old and you write this well. I'm blown away. I love working with sheep, and I've learned so much from your videos. I appreciate that you don't just show when everything goes right, but you will show mistakes too. I hope your lambing season will continue to go well. And there's 14 replies. I'm just gonna... Oh, everybody's so sweet to her. I love my people. You guys are amazing. So, Todd Family Farm. I'm gonna click on it. Yes, check them out. Todd Family Farm. I'll put the thing. This one has 381 likes. All right, this is from Lisa Wrigley. There can be nothing more special than holding a new life in your hands. The love you show to all of your lambs is a breath of fresh air. I imagine it must hurt very much when you lose the little ones. There must surely be a special place in heaven for farmers like you. Keep up the good work, Manchester, UK. Fun fact, my niece wants to play soccer in Manchester. That's like her goal. And shout out to Brooke, because she just tore her ACL like a month ago and she just had surgery this week. So I love you, Brooke. So yeah, Manchester, my family loves you. And Lisa, that was amazing. And yes, it is really hard losing lambs. I don't understand why they have to be so cute, because it, well, I do understand. It's because we'll try harder to keep them. And we will end off with this one. Pastor Kim Sturts. I just love how you talk to Lucy during the lamb's labor. Just like real moms, certain things can just tip us off while in labor. We need a little quiet to focus. Also, I love your sweet high voice to the lambs and their mamas while you are helping them or greeting them. These sweethearts are your babies too. They are. Jess is too hilarious too with advent calendar action. And the booger comments. Yay, someone noticed! Yeah, you are human. You make these hard days all the more brighter. My family's been watching with bated breath for the Christmas lambs to come. You are a blessing. From one shepherd to another, I give thanks for you. That's really sweet. Thank you, Kim, for that. And I think that was a really nice one to end off to tonight. I am whipped. So I got called out this afternoon, and the kids actually came home today, this afternoon as well. I love having them home. They grew up too friggin' fast. Anyway, you guys, I will see you in I'll see you in 7 hours. I better go to bed.